Introduce features interest for 2022 TNVTEC CarPlay Activator Dongle for iPhone with factory wired CarPlay for 2019 to 2022 cars model, convert wired to wireless CarPlay, support online update. You can find wanted here, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. TNVTEC wireless CarPlay adapter compatible with over 98% of vehicles with factory installed wired CarPlay function. Compatible with Ford, Chevrolet, Silverado, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Jeep, Cadillac, Peugeot, Lincoln, GMC, model year 2019 to 2022. TNVTEC wireless CarPlay adapter works for iPhone from the SIXS up to the 13 Pro Max, best match for iOS 12 to 15. How long does it take for your car unit to connect? It depends on your phone and car, but it usually takes 7 to 14 seconds. The CarPlay adapter adopts Bluetooth and 5 GHz Wi-Fi module transmission to ensure steady connection and sensitive response. Let it be easy to play music, get navigation, or use Siri wire-free. Support voice control, Siri, GPS navigation app, real-time navigation, online music app, phone call, music app, messages. TNVTEC wireless CarPlay is a quality product which we will check is working perfectly before delivery to come up with a good user experience. With the ultra-fast automatic connection, the wireless CarPlay adapter does long-term operation without delay when you start the car. Wireless CarPlay makes it easy to play music, get navigation, or make hands-free calls. Fiddly wires become the thing of the past. Plug and play. Simply plug the CarPlay wireless adapter into your car USB data port for iPhone. Step 1. Plug the adapter into the USB port of the CarPlay. Step 2. Turn on the WLAN and Bluetooth on your phone, search the Bluetooth name displayed on the car screen and connect it with your phone. Step 3. Just wait until the car screen displayed the CarPlay interface and that's finished. Next time your phone will pair with it automatically after engine start every time. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.